Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can create the Shadowrunner game, which can be played using the mouse. If you scroll up, it will move forward. If you scroll down, it will move backward. For jump, you can use arrow key. Okay, so let me show you how you can create this game. I have already created the code for this game in the Python, as well as we are using here HTML code, JavaScript code, as well as the CSS files. So let me show you. I have already created the GitHub repository. I'm going to provide this link in the description box. You can check this out, and all the description and how you can use this code and install on your system. I have already provided all the commands and the instruction in the GitHub. You can check this out and let me know, did you like the game or not, and comment for more, and let me know if you need any kind of help in this game, and you are free to use this code and modify it, and let me know what kind of code you have created and what kind of modification you have made in this game. And I'm going to show you uh, more games how you can create in the Python, and few more games videos will be available soon, and you can show this code for the college project, that how you can create a game using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and using the Python to run this code. Okay, if you need any kind of help in this code, please let me know, and all the details has been given in the GitHub repository. I'm providing the link of the GitHub repository in the description. Please check this out, and thumbs up for this video, and please like and share. Thank you very much.